I like these kind of scenes because, well, to be honest, I'm a nature freak. I love to walk through the woods and talk to the animals. Don't tell anybody that. I even talk to trees at times. But you need to understand nature to appreciate the great, great things that have been created. We spend so much of our life walking around, looking, but never seeing. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain. There we go. Right up in here, we'll make a happy little cloud. Use just the corner of the brush. Let's have a happy little tree right in here. I'll put some happy little leaves here and there. Maybe there's some little bushes and trees that live back here. Look at them little rascals sparkle in the sun. I'm gonna have a happy little tree. He lives right there. Just a little guy. Right on the side of the barn. Let's put another little one, a little friend, right there. There we go. Look at that. Isn't he a cute little rascal? This is my little friend Clyde here. I give him names, shoot. People look at you like you're a little weird, but you know, painters are expected to be a little different. And that's all right. If painting teaches you nothing else, it'll teach you to look at nature with different eyes. It'll teach you to see things that have been there all your life and you've never noticed. And if it does nothing else but make you enjoy nature, it's worthwhile. So look around. Look at what we have. Beauty is everywhere. You only have to look to see it.